In this video, we are going to see how to create a drop-down in Excel. This has a very special use in the sense that, say, a particular data is being filled by different people. So there are chances that they will make spelling mistakes in the data which they are filling. Someone can write an abbreviated form, like, for example, instead of writing male in gender full, he or she can write simply M. To avoid such situations, the best way is to give a drop down to the people so that they will select the data which is being provided in the drop down. So for that, let us understand how we can do this. Say we have data which is to be filled for gender male and female. In the department we have 5 departments and we have taken month of joining of the people for last 1 year, that is from Jan 23 to December 23. So these are 3 different types of data. With the amount of data is also different. So we'll see 3 methods by which we can do this. So we have to first select the cells where we want to have the drop down. Then we go to the data, and in the data we have data tools. In data tools we have data validation. Click on data validation, and in the window you can see in allow any value is there. So first, for all the 3 cases which we are going to discuss, we have to select list. So select list. Now you can see a point comes, that is source. So now this source basically is the way it provides us the 3 ways in which we can fill the data. So if say the data is small, like in case it is only 2 male and female, so we can simply type it male comma female and click on OK. So you can see in the cells the drop down has come. We can select some of the data here, like male and female. You can see we can select male and so on and so forth. Now we will try to create a drop down in the department. So again, select the cells in which drop down has to be put. At present we are in data tab, so let's select data validation. In place of any value we select the list. Cell drop down should always be selected in this case. Then and then only you will see the drop down which you see in the cell. Now in the source, what we can do is we can select, click on source, and simply go to a place where we have stored data. In our case it was sheet 2, and select the cells where the data for drop down is stored, that is department data. Now click OK, and you can see a drop down has been created in the department part. We can try selecting some data. The last method will require us to use something which is known as named ranges in the Excel. So for that, first we will need to go to sheet 2. In sheet 2, select the data, that is month of joining Jan 23 to December 23. There, after that we go to the formula tab, and in formula tab, in define names, we click on define name. It will open a menu which you can see. Now here, give a name to this particular range. So we can give the name M join. Click on OK. So these cells have got a name now, that is M join. Now how to insert this in cells? So first of all, select the cells where we want to put this. After that, go to data tab, click on data validation. In place of any value, type list, and in source we can directly put the name, but the only thing we have to take care is Before the name of the range, we have to put equal to. So put equal to the name we have entered, mjoin, and click on OK. Now you can see we have got the joining dates. Select any and just try that. Now these were the three ways in which we can create a drop down list. It depends how the basic difference between the three methods is the source. Rest all the initial steps are same. Now in the source, if the data is small, the drop down needs to contain small amount of data. You can straight away type it in the source part of data validation. You can store those values at some place and give reference to that in the source. As you have seen in the third method, you can give a name to the cells and put it in the source. I hope the method was clear to you. Thank you.